here. What a coincidence that there's a camera standing in my backyard. Welcome people, aliens, or creatures who are watching this. Today, if I haven't introduced myself yet, which I haven't because the video just started. Hi, I'm Isabella, but you can call me Izzy. So, today I'm gonna make a difference. You know, so I'm gonna make a tutorial. You know, all those tutorials are so lame and just boring to watch. But this one will be, I swear, the best tutorial you've ever seen. Oh my god. This tutorial, you need it in your life. You just need it. You're gonna tell your friends when you watch it. You're gonna send this to all your friends and be like, oh my god, you should really watch this tutorial because it's really, really cool. You know, it's that kind of tutorial. Okay, so now if you're like wondering, like, what is this tutorial? Like, if you haven't seen like the title, yeah. It's a how to be me tutorial. How to be Izzy. Hi. Number one. The first one is eyeliner, and as you see right here, I'm wearing eyeliner. You can see it was beautiful. The most beautiful eyes. It's a tutorial in a tutorial. Okay, so pretend this is my eyelid, okay? So then we just do this. Then we do this. Then we just like put down, and then we color this in, and then we have this. Can you believe it? How easy it actually is. Hi. Step 2 is be awkward, and not like awkward like a bit like this conversation is awkward. No. I mean awkward, really awkward. Like when you search on Google awkward, you see my face, awkward. Awkward like in you have a conversation with me and I think it's going well and you're like, this is so awkward, I'm gonna walk away. But no. Please don't walk away from my conversations. I was really trying. Step 3 is try to be funny. You really, if you really want to be Izzy, you really try to be funny. Be awkward after you made your joke, or just laugh at your joke. What's the best thing about Switzerland? I don't know, but the flag is a big plus. I cannot find any funny joke anymore.
Maybe you were born this way. Black, white, or beige, Shola or Orient, babe. I'm on the right track. Just love yourself and you're set. I'm on the right track. Put your hands up in the club, just go up, doing my own little thing. It's me, just taking mad at me. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it.
Oh, please, like this series, like. If I was good at editing, you would see here a photo of like Glee. It was from 2009. You might not know it for the people who are like 15 like me, but I love that show. Just don't judge me, okay? The last one. Step 5, I think. I don't really know. I just love to embarrass myself. Step 5. Act like an 8-year-old or 6-year-old. One of those two. I have some examples. You like just to be on playgrounds, and a lot of people when I say this think it's really like childish, but I really love Disney. Really love Disney. Disney is my life, and I love Frozen, and I love Let It Go. It's I really hoped it was an interesting tutorial. I really did my best to just capture every important thing of me, you know? It was really, whew, I did a lot of dancing and a lot of movements. Really hard. But I really hope y'all liked it. Love y'all. Peace out, creatures, people, and aliens.